we have to prove that triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BEC. And on this diagram we have given that AD is congruent to BE because we have this one mark. So let me write this, that AD is congruent to BE. What else we have given? We have given that AC has 2 marks and BC has 2 marks. So these two sides are congruent too. So we have that AC is congruent to BC. And we have that angle DAC is congruent to angle EBC. So we can write that by side, angle, side congruence postulate. We have that triangle DAC is congruent to triangle EBC. So it means that corresponding parts are congruent. So DA is congruent to AD and EB is congruent to BE by reflexive property. So we can write that triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BEC. This is my solution.